Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be making cornmeal porridge, and if you don't know what that is, it's something that our parents used to give to us in Jamaica as children. We used to love how it tastes. They really used to use it to help with weight gain if we weren't like frequent eaters, and it would help us put on weight. So I just thought I would make porridge today and show you guys how I make it. So if you're interested in seeing that and you want to gain some weight fast, make sure you keep on watching. For your ingredients, you'll need fine cornmeal, ground cinnamon, cinnamon sugar, and nutmeg. You can either use coconut milk or coconut cream depending on how thick you want it. I'm using coconut cream. And you're also going to need some condensed milk. Any brand is fine. So you're going to start by adding 3 cups of water to your pot and have that start boiling, and add your cinnamon. Then you're going to add your cornmeal to a separate bowl while that's boiling, and this part is super important. You're going to combine it with either water, coconut milk, or coconut cream. I'm using coconut cream, and you're just going to mix it around, and you have to make sure that you mix it really good. This is going to avoid you from getting any lumps in your porridge, and you don't want any lumps because it's not going to taste good. Remember, I said that. Once your consistency is smooth and creamy, you're just going to pour that into the pot and make sure that you stir. Starting from when it first goes in the pot, you have to start stirring and keep on stirring for about 3 minutes just to make sure you don't get any lumps. After you stir for 3 minutes, you're going to check the consistency, and if it's already thick, then you're going to probably need to add more coconut milk or water or coconut cream depending on what it was you used to begin with. I kept on eyeing mine and just making sure that it wasn't already thick because of the fact that it wasn't done cooking, and I didn't want to cook it down further because then all it was going to do was get more thick. So you want to keep on adding as you go because it's going to get thick after being in the pot for another 5 minutes. Once the consistency is to your liking, you can go ahead and add your nutmeg and your condensed milk, and I'm going to be using only about 1/4 of a can. It depends on how sweet you want yours. I like mine really sweet, so it's up to you. Then you're just going to mix all the way, and then you can serve your porridge and add some more nutmeg on top for garnishing. And that is my cornmeal porridge recipe. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you like it. Leave a comment and let me know what you think once you try it.